Hello world! The right love will come, the one that beats all the others. The love that leaves a smile on your face, that stretches from cheek to cheek, and doesn't fade, even as the day turns gray. The love that teaches you how beautiful you are, even when you don't feel it. Even when you pull and tug at all your flaws, it looks at you through half-lidded eyes that admire you in your entirety. The love that appreciates how hard you try, even when your heart is heavy, because life hasn't been too kind, even when you are anxious or scared about what the future holds. The love that makes you feel soft with warmth and affection, the love that tries hard to make you smile and never leaves your side. The love that recognizes your need to be alone but to also have them by your side, supporting you, encouraging you to be better and work harder and become stronger along the way. The love that doesn't go to sleep until it knows that you are okay. The love that understands all your emotions, your mood swings, your insecurities, and your vulnerabilities that you try so hard to hide but are unable to. The right love will come, the love that accepts you completely, even on days when you can't accept yourself and feel lost and alone, even when on nights when you don't know how to go on. By Ruby Dahl. Go, go, go for it, Anna. I will support you on this health advocacy of yours. On this lift weight of yours, you are true as you caption that you eat python sweets.
Dobrze, dobrze. Nie może się obejść bez pośladka dzisiaj. A w razie jakby się zapalił, to jesteśmy przy skrzyni. Będziemy gasić. Pali pośladek, nie? Wypnij mocniej.
With this exercise of yours, we strengthen the upper back.
8. Pięknie. 9. Szerzej trochę łokcie. O, super. 10. Tutaj ci się ładnie wszystko napina. Najbardziej czworoboczne tu pracuje. Podciągamy pod klatuchę. 5. O, tu. O.
On Anna's story, she said, as she felt apricity means the warmth of the sun in the winter. It more permanent, long-lasting, and deeper. Coming from Anna, she messaged, after a successful training, a surprise from Alisa. Cake with apples and almond flour. I swear to you, I ate already on the way home. It was delicious. Simone has visited Bio Clinic. It's an aesthetic, wellness, and regenerative clinic. It's Milan Fashion Week. As to Simone, he attended different clothing brands like Cultura Urban and Faye brand as it inspired by culture and emotion, and it also forged for workwear shaped to urban life. Is this, Simone, the product that you are using this time? As you said, it's the best of the best. From Dr. Barbara Stram, the leading doctor in anti-inflammatory medicine. Are you get tired already from your day? It's a repost from Dolce & Gabbana about the new product as they introduce Michele as the new face for Devotion for Men, Eau de Parfum. This is Michele when he is out in public and meet a fan who want to take a photo with him. Michele has a passion in music, hoping he can share his talent to others too.
You were...
Yeah.
Yeah!
Did you?
Yeah!
Okay. wait. How does it? Okay.
And this Michele's look, have you seen or feel in his eyes that he found true love as to what the social media is circulating now based on his personal life? I know guys, you want to know the whole story about it. Just sit back and later I will tell you. The dog seems understand him on what he want to express.
Every time you want to make a sound with me, tell me. Tell me one more time. Tell me one more time. Okay. Come here. Come see here. Come see here.
Have you heard this glimpse as a part of the new song of Michele? As I have heard it, I know it has a meaning inside of it, but as to audio background of it, it's hard to explain for me. Let's all wait when it comes out and then you help me analyze on what you have listened. Michele do a live on his Spotify channel as he was singing his song Muara. Oh, wow, to the mini song that he recorded, that is the one he chose to sing live for his fans. I hope everyone got fascinated with his interaction with them. Hey, what happened, Michele, on your room? Yes, it really needed cleaning. But honestly, can it not be that organized? This is just on my opinion. As in for myself, if my room is like this, I can't sleep or take some rest and had relaxation. Oh, wait a minute. Guys, have you seen what I've seen? Comment below what I see if our thinking is the same. From the blog Italian News, it tells the whole story of the kissing incident about Maria Luisa and Michele. As it said, after flirting with Toti, Maria Luisa Jacobelli kisses Michele Morone. The relationship between Maria Luisa and Michele seems to be very intense with passionate kiss and a touch from the actor to the journalist's backside, a luxurious dinner together. The two continue their moment of intimacy outside the restaurant, moving away to avoid the paparazzi. This love story seems to have a special energy between the affectionate gestures and moments of complicity. The chemistry between them is evident and has captured the attention of media. It remains to be seen what the future holds for its unexpected couple. The relationship between Maria Luisa and Michele seems to be still in its infancy, but the passion that has been unleashed between them is evident. The two seems to be completely enraptured by each other without caring about the possible consequences of this sudden spark. The photos of the kiss between the two immediately went viral on social media, arousing curiosity and admiration among fans. It is still unknown what the future holds for this unexpected couple, but one thing is certain: the passion between Maria Luisa and Michele seems destined to burn strong. After having dinner together, the two spotted outside the restaurant to chat and smoke a cigarette. It was there that the kiss took place, intense and passionate, complete with a bold gesture from the actor towards the journalist. The effusion between the two continued for long minutes under the prying eyes of the paparazzi, eager to tell every detail of this love story. After the kiss, the two get into the car and drove away, leaving the photographer disappointed and eager to find out more about this unexpected relationship. But what is behind this sudden passion that seems to have caused a stir? The secret meetings, the smoke chats, and the stolen kisses may be just the beginning of something deeper between Maria Luisa and Michele. The actor and the journalist seems to be attracted to each other in a magnetic way, burning the scene with an intense that promises sparks. While the paparazzi is still on the trail of this new couple, the kiss between Maria Luisa and Michele continues to talk about, fueling rumors and speculations. About what this unexpected passion might be hiding, it remains to be seen whether this chemistry will transform into something more lasting or if it will remain just a fleeting moment of emotion and passion. And as to Just Jared news, it said that it looked like Michele Morrone might have a new special person in his life. The 34-year-old Italian actor and model was spotted sharing a passionate kiss with the TV host and sports journalist Maria Luisa Jacobelli during a night out on Thursday, January 16 in Milan, Italy. Michele and Maria Luisa were spotted leaving Palazzo Parigi and parking on PDA next to their car. The same day, Maria Luisa posted a cryptic quote on her Instagram stories. At the end of the day, it's not about the money, the accolade, or the spotlight shining on your name. The real flex, it's in the ripple you create, in the lives you touch, in the moment where your presence lifts someone up when they couldn't see the light for themselves, she quoted. Now guys, what is your pulse on this passion of Michele and Maria Luisa? Is there a future of forever till the last? Comment your reaction below. Thank you for the photos, Just Jared. It's based on Just Jared, January 16. But on this date, Michele is in New York already. Many said it's January 5. And I do believe with it that it's January 5 that it happened. Thank you for watching my video today. Comment your reaction below. Don't forget to click the like button, share this video to others, and please subscribe on my channel. Day 18 of the 365 days of 2025. A message to all. Love isn't supposed to feel like pain, like there is a stone rammed so hard inside your chest that even breathing hurts. Love isn't supposed to break you into 1,000 pieces at night, only to meet you in the morning and break you more, or make you feel like everything in your life is over and you have nowhere to go, like those nights when you will do anything to stop hurting, to make it all go away. Love isn't supposed to make you feel worthless. No, love is supposed to build you. You should grow with the person you love, not diminish. Love should not kill your soul, but you feel with your life. Love isn't supposed to feel like you have dagger twisting in your heart and tears as proof on your cheeks. No, love is supposed to feel like the wind that allows you to fly. Love is supposed to soften you, not turn you into stone. Love is supposed to show you that you are worth everything, not nothing. No, it's not love if all it ever does is cause you pain. I refuse to believe that you are not supposed to love someone so much that it hurts. You just are not. Think about it. If you were, then no one would want to fall in love. Love isn't hurt. It is the kind of balm that fills you with so much softness that you learn to live again. That's what love is. That's what love always is. By Ruby Dahl.